What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denise. I do a lot of DIY and home decor stuff, so if that's something that interests you, feel free to click that subscribe button and follow along on Instagram. But we're going to jump right in. I am super excited to share with you guys the perfect Father's Day gift idea, TilePix magnetic photo tiles. These are an amazing way to create a unique gallery wall that any dad will love, so let's get started. I've been in the process of upgrading Grant's play area and I noticed we had the perfect spot for a gallery wall. So for Father's Day, I wanted to give my husband something truly meaningful, but let's face it, as busy moms, we need options that don't take a ton of time, which is why TilePix is great because Walgreens offers a convenient option with their same-day pickup for the 8x8 frames, or if you prefer, you can easily order them online. I ended up ordering 9 8x8 frames for the gallery wall, plus 1 extra frame for my husband's office. They were packaged so carefully and arrived in perfect condition. I chose a mix of family photos, a couple of just the two of them, and I also snapped a few pics of Grant's little creations. I also ordered a couple 12x18 frames. One was a family photo and one was a little something for myself that I picked out from the prints they have available on their website. So the first thing I did was clean off my walls thoroughly. I used a dampened paper towel with a bit of water and mild cleaner to wipe away any dust or grime. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the adhesive magnets will stick well and stay in place. Once the walls were clean and dry, I moved on to the fun part, actually placing the magnets. After removing the backing, I decided to eyeball their placement. I went for a 3x3 pattern, which I thought would look balanced and visually appealing. The great thing about these adhesive magnets is that they don't damage your walls. They can also be removed and relocated if you change your mind about the layout. This makes them incredibly versatile for anyone who loves to frequently redecorate or just wants the option to switch things up. One of the best features about these frames is how forgiving they are. There is no need to measure precisely if you don't want to. You can easily adjust them to achieve the perfect spacing once you get all your frames hung up on the wall. This flexibility makes the whole process stress-free and enjoyable, allowing you to focus on creating a beautiful and personalized space. I also love that Grant was able to help hang the picture frames. It made the whole experience so much fun. And as I mentioned earlier, you do not need to be super precise with this measuring. I actually ended up using one of Grant's toy cars that was just lying around and it worked perfectly to space the frames out evenly. But then a couple days later, I realized I actually wanted the pictures hung a little higher, and thanks to these magnetic frames, I was able to easily adjust them a few inches higher and they look so much better. And as for the photo that will go in my husband's office, he loved the kickstand feature so he could easily display this picture on his desk. I also loved incorporating these bigger frames into my home. It looks so chic. The TilePix tile frames have truly brought this place to life and transforming Grant's play area into a cozy corner filled with cherished memories and room for new ones. My husband had a great time reminiscing about all the wonderful moments we've captured, and he especially enjoyed seeing Grant's creative works displayed. We absolutely love TilePix, and it has been such a delightful addition to our home. If you want more information on these TilePix picture frames, please see the link in my description, and I'll see you in the next one.